Hey guys, welcome back to Stir the Pot. It's Taco Tuesday. Who likes tacos? I do. We're going to be making some tacos and we are using our homemade taco seasoning. So follow along with me. Give us a thumbs up. The recipe will be down in the description as well as the recipe for our season mix. And subscribe to help us with our YouTube algorithms. So, first, we'll start off with 1 pound of ground sirloin, and we're going to put it over here in this pot. And we're going to brown it. I have this right now on medium high. So, I'm just going to brown this and break up my meat as it cooks. Tacos, they're always my favorite. We're going to be having some homemade pico de gallo with this, and I'll link the pico de gallo recipe to the end of this one. Smells good and I haven't put anything in it yet. I just got off work and I'm about to starve. Okay, our hamburger is done. And now I am going to be adding the spices. But before I do, I want this to thicken up some. You don't want it to be too runny. So we're going to be using cornstarch. So again, I have a pound of ground sirloin. You can use ground round, ground chuck. You can use ground turkey. I've done this with ground turkey before. And because of the spices, it's delicious. You know, turkey doesn't have a lot of flavor to it. You can do it with ground chicken. If you can grind it, you can make a taco with it. So I am putting about a tablespoon of this cornstarch in here. I may have to add a little bit more if it's not as thick as we like it. And if it's too thick, I'll add a little water. So now we're going to put our spices in. This spice mix that we make is with chili powder, cumin, a little bit of cayenne, paprika. We use the smoked paprika. It's got garlic powder in it. It has onion powder in it. Has a little bit of oregano. And so much better than what you get in the grocery store in those packets. You know what's in this. No MSG, no unnecessary preservatives. And for a pound of hamburger, you're going to add 3 tablespoons of your seasoning. And then we're going to go and add some water too so that it gets all incorporated. And again, this seasoning is better than what you can get in the grocery store in your packs. So I'm just going to stir this all in together before I add my water to it. You can do this in a frying pan too if you want to. You don't have to do it in a pot. I do most of my frying in a pot because I'm really anal and I don't like stuff splashing. So now we're going to add our water. We'll add about a quarter to a half of a cup. And I'm going to turn up my burner just a little bit because we need it to get to boiling so that cornstarch will start thickening in here. If you didn't have cornstarch, you could use flour. Smells very good. Time to test it. That's good, guys. That is very good. Got a little bit of a bite to it. Oh, and a couple more spices that I put in here is I put in a pinch of clove and a pinch of cinnamon. So that really brings out some good flavor. I got to have another bite. I've not had dinner and I'm about to starve. Okay, guys, we're going to let that simmer and then we're going to come back and we're going to put some tacos together. Okay, folks, we're going to put a taco together. You guys know how to do this. I'm doing it only because I started making the taco sauce or the taco meat. So everybody does their tacos different. I know this, but this is how this one's going to play out. Look at the meat, how rich it looks. Pico de gallo that I made. Again, this recipe will be at the end of this video, as well as the seasoning mix that I had made up for our taco meat. Okay, it's missing one thing. You got to have some crisp on it. So we'll top this with some lettuce. And there you have it. Well, with the taco sauce, let's do that too. Thought I was going to have to call in reinforcements. I didn't know if I was going to be able to get that top off. Taco sauce, you use whatever kind of sauce you want. And there you have it. Taco Tuesday. Mmm. That's good. I got taco on my face. But that's okay. We'll get that off. So give us a thumbs up. The recipe for the taco seasoning will be in the description. And subscribe. Until next time, stir the pot.